Hi everyone, we're going to try to remove these antiperspirant and deodorant armpit stains from this t-shirt. We're going to use hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and water. A shout out to Diary of a Girly Girl for this cleaning tip. Turn the t-shirt inside out, place on a non-pore surface, and expose the stains. Mix equal parts water, hydrogen peroxide, and baking soda. I use 1/4 cups in each here. Thoroughly mix and generously apply to the stains. Continuously mix as you go and scoop from the bottom to pick up the baking soda at the bottom of the container. Let sit, and after 2 hours, scrape the stains, apply more mixture, and let sit overnight. I know many of you will ask about dark colors, so I'm sacrificing this dark t-shirt. The next day, scrape away the baking soda, dust off outside, and toss in the laundry for regular washing. And the results? Surprisingly good. Light stains are still visible on both armpits. A second treatment and cleaning removed most of the stains. And a black t-shirt? No signs of discoloration. Of course, please test before using uncolored shirts.